In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bills in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a vendor bill so your payables, reports, and cash flow stay accurate. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard and head to the Purchases section. This is where all your spending lives, including expenses, purchase orders, and the bills we're working with today. Inside Purchases, open the Bills area. Here, you'll see a list of existing bills with their statuses, which is helpful for checking what's due and what's already paid. To create a new bill, click New. This opens a clean bill form. First, select your vendor. Choose the supplier who issued the bill from your existing list. If your list is long, use the search bar to find them quickly. Selecting the correct vendor ensures the right payment terms, currency, and address details are pulled in automatically. Next, enter the bill number. Type it exactly as it appears on the vendor's document. This is important for avoiding duplicates and makes future searches easy. Many teams rely on this number to reconcile vendor statements, so accuracy here really matters. Now, set the bill date. Use the date from the vendor's bill, not the day you're entering it. Zoho Books will usually calculate the due date based on the vendor's payment terms, so a correct bill date helps your aging reports and reminders line up with reality. After that, select the item. Choose the product or service you were billed for from your item list. When you add an item, make sure to confirm the quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes or tracking categories. If your bill includes multiple lines, add each item as a separate line to keep your costs and inventory accurate. Pay attention to the subtotal and tax amounts at the bottom to confirm they match the vendor's total. If you use projects or cost centers, assign them on each line so reporting stays clean. Before saving, give everything a quick review. Vendor, bill number, bill date, items, amounts, and tax. When you're satisfied, click Save as Open. Saving as Open records the bill in accounts payable and marks it as ready for payment without applying any payment yet. This status keeps it visible on your payables list and in cash flow projections. That's it. You navigated to Purchases, opened bills, created a new bill, selected the vendor, entered the bill number and date, chose the right items, and saved it as open. Follow these steps each time, and your bookkeeping will stay consistent and audit ready.